A major ruling today from the International Court of Justice. The United Nations top court has ordered Israel to halt its military operation in Rafah. Although Israel is unlikely to comply, it will ratchet up the pressure on the increasingly isolated country. CTV's Jeremie Charron is following the story.
Inside this courtroom in the Netherlands today, a landmark emergency ruling in a case brought forward by South Africa accusing Israel of genocide.
Israel has not sufficiently addressed and dispelled the concerns raised by its military offensive in Rafah.
And a strict order from the World Court.
Israel must immediately halt its military offensive and any other action in the Rafah governorate which may inflict on the Palestinian group in Gaza conditions of life that could bring about its physical destruction.
The president of the court also ordered Israel to open the Rafah border crossing to allow humanitarian aid in, calling the situation in Gaza catastrophic.
Canada's position has been clear for many, many weeks now. We need an immediate ceasefire. Hamas needs to lay down its arms, release all hostages, but there also must be no more military operations in Rafah.
The court also called for the release of all remaining hostages, and while its order is legally binding, the ICJ lacks the power to enforce it.
The International Court of Justice doesn't have its own army. It doesn't have its own police. It depends upon the Security Council to implement its orders.
This is the third time the court has issued orders for Israel to pull back and address the humanitarian suffering in Gaza. But Israel has been accused of ignoring their orders in the past.
Israeli spokesmen have already announced that essentially Israel will not comply with the order, that they will continue their operation.
Israel has repeatedly dismissed accusations of genocide, insisting it has the right to defend itself from Hamas.
South Africa's wider case here accuses Israel of state-led genocide against Palestinians. A decision on that could take years, but the ICJ has rejected Israel's request to throw the case out. Heather?
CTV's Jeremie Charron in Ottawa. Thank you.